Hi everyone, my name is Maria and I'm the Creative Learning Manager at the Carson City Library. Thank you for joining me for the first day of our virtual Science and Technology Festival. Today we're going to learn how to create salt crystals. So what are crystals? Crystals are a special kind of solid material where the molecules fit together in a pattern that keeps repeating itself. Because of these patterns, crystals form all sorts of unique geometric shapes. Crystals often form when a liquid cools very slowly and or when water evaporates from the chemical mixture, leaving behind a hardened substance. In nature, for example, crystals can form when liquid rock called magma cools. For today's experiment, you'll need the items listed here. It takes about 15 minutes to complete the first portion of this experiment, then you'll wait overnight to see the results. I've included the different steps you'll need to follow to complete this activity. Let's begin and have some fun.